Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to discuss about a very common issue that many of my students are facing while installing MySQL. So what is happening is they are getting this error message that this port 3306 is already used. So there is an error icon and next button is disabled. So in this video I am going to show you how to resolve this issue. So why it is happening is because you have Xampp installed already on your system. So if you open your Xampp control panel, I can see it has MySQL already installed. So here also it is showing that error message that port 3306 is used by another process, so unable to open this process. So it has detected a problem. So you can see this error message is coming both for MySQL and Xampp. So why it is happening is both the Xampp and MySQL use this port, this common port 3306. So that's why all this issue. So what you can do is you can use a unique port. So something like you can make it 009 and see immediately this error is solved. And now you proceed with installing your MySQL installer, it's going to work completely fine. So like click on next, give some password, repeat that, click on next, next, again next, and click on execute, and everything going to work perfectly fine. So that's the only difference. So everything is fine. Click on finish and click on next, finish, and it's going to launch our MySQL shell first, and then it's going to also open MySQL Workbench. So here is our Workbench. Everything will be working perfectly fine. So that's how you resolve that issue. Please do subscribe our Geeky Script channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And also if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. So you can check all these different videos for completely free. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.